Ed's trying to be funny, pretending to try and crash into my car. Because he's a dick. Ed, start the intro now. Go. Go, go, go.
Hello. What?
You know, the normal start. Do it.
What do you mean?
The start.
Hello.
How you intro a video. How do we intro a video?
Hello. And welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, we are reviewing the Kaizen 3D printed oil funnel.
Right, do that again, because I'm going to keep this in, but I want you to do it again more professionally. Ready? I'm going to come up with this. Ready?
Well, let me get out the car.
All right. Let's get him back in the car. Let's ruin the magic. Ruin the magic.
Hello, and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, we are reviewing the Kaizen Change for the Better.
Change for better.
Oh, fuck off. Funnel oil filler.
3D printed.
3D printed.
Yeah.
Thing, yeah.
Should screw straight in.
Should do, but we'll find out.
We'll find out. I don't know if you made it with logos in mind.
Why not? It's a Honda fitment.
Well.
Don't start that.
Your mum's a Honda fitment.
So this is designed by our very own Liam at Kaizen Change
For better.
for the Wicked. He sent us this, which he should have done, because it was...
And he's our main channel sponsor, so that's why he should have done it.
It probably cost... I don't know how much it cost, but it's a nice bit of kit. It's 3D printed.
It is, yeah.
So...
I'm trying to keep it on camera and you keep moving it around everywhere.
So... I don't know what to say about it. What would you say about this, Alex?
Well, it's 3D printed.
Yes.
It's really well made.
Yeah.
Because it feels really good, doesn't it? We've both got one.
It's like a vinyl record.
It is, yeah. I mean, that's what 3D printed stuff generally feels like. So,
yeah.
how much 3D printed stuff have you come across other than those Honda things that didn't fit?
This.
Yeah, it's really well done. So, here's the engine.
So with like original with ones you can buy from Whole Foods and any other place.
Yeah,
they
you
just stick in and they
yeah.
flop around.
This, in theory, screws in, but neither of us have tried it yet.
No, I'm hoping it doesn't just disintegrate into my logo's engine.
Well, let's hope not. Right.
I don't even know any oil. Did you
I've
bring
got
some
oil. Yeah, I've always
Have
got
you
oil.
got some towel?
Yeah, I've got blue roll as well.
Go
Yeah.
get it then, and I'll hold this.
All right.
Because we need to check the oil level first before topping up, sweet G's.
Why would I lock my car? I'm stood here.
Because you're a. So we're going to check our oil, guys. Nice, easy, quick one.
Ed, be really enthusiastic.
What do you mean?
Do that again. Go. We're going to check the oil, guys, in a really enthusiastic way. Let's go.
I'm going to check the oil and see if I need to top it up, because this will be a useless video if I don't need to put oil in there, will it? And look, my dipstick's broken, all right, dipstick.
Oh.
Nice new battery, look.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, hello.
That ran out, didn't it?
Yeah, I've got to get a new battery as well, so that's good.
Oh,
Ooh.
it's not going to need any oil, is it? Is it?
Well, it might need a glug.
Enough to demonstrate the Liam's Kaizen for the Better.
Kaizen Automotive Change for better.
We're kind of full.
Oh,
Let's put a little glug in it.
yeah, just put a little glug. I mean, nobody's ever ruined a car by putting too much oil in it.
No.
You actually haven't, have you, Ed?
What do you mean?
Not ruined a car
I
by...
probably have done the other way around.
Not put enough in.
Oil, yeah. So it's a nice S2000 oil filler cap.
Yeah.
On a Honda logo.
Is that going to go back in the S2000?
Don't know, mate. Oh yeah, because it's got the Change for the Better one on. Jesus, wet, because there's a
Cool filming.
There's an S2000 oil filler cap on a Honda logo.
Oh my God, purity.
I know,
We've ruined it.
I know.
Oh, the S2000 community are going to lynch us.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Look at this.
Let's go. Oh my God. It screws in like butter. I mean, look at that. It is like butter. Sorry about the security light, which is just there kicking in and out.
I might leave it like that, you know.
Yeah.
So my engine now can hear.
You can pretend you've got an ITB.
It can hear.
It's like a big 3D printed internal throttle body.
I've got an ITB, guy.
Oh no, my God!
Start, see what it sounds like.
Oops. Oh, the engine's fine.
So we should put a little glug in, shall we?
Put a glug in.
Oh, it's brand new.
Yeah, I haven't opened it. If you remember, Mechanic Dave.
Yeah.
I bought 10 litres of oil because it's meant to take 5.5.
Yeah.
And it took 5, and I haven't needed to top the oil up since. So
I'm going to put. Here we go, guys. Here's the money.
Always hold
shot.
it side on.
Oh yeah, because of the air. Money shot, guys. I only put a little glug in. Oh, look how stable it is.
It's so
Look
stable.
at that. That's all we need, guys.
I mean,
Do you
well
need oil
done.
in yours?
No. Well done, Liam at Kaizen Automotive. I mean, I don't know if you actually, I don't think you personally made it, but for commissioning
He did.
Well, he did it himself.
It's a Liam thing, yeah.
Well, he's got a 3D printer.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, well done, Liam.
Oh,
I didn't know that.
Talking bullshit, probably.
Oh, probably.
Now, the big question is...
Would it be the first time?
But yeah, the
More
wheels,
camber in cheese than that.
Does it unscrew?
Well, let's see. Ooh. Threaded in. Will it thread out? Oh.
Imagine that just crumbles away. I'd advise to be gentle because it is plastic going into aluminium. But yeah, I am very impressed, guys.
Yeah. And that's a win for Kaizen Automotive.
So,
well done, Liam.
We will be giving this one away because we have trois.
Yeah.
We've under.
Yeah, we can share ours and you can have one of ours.
We have deux of these.
Yeah.
So as
That's
part of
two.
our giveaway, this will be one of the
I mean,
items.
Liam could just send a fresh one as part of the giveaway. And then
because
we can
your
both have
one's
our own.
no, we can share one. This can be given
You
away.
always want to share stuff.
Well, no,
I don't want to share stuff.
Anyway, hey, if you comment in this video, you want this, just put a comment and I'll pick randomly. So fuck you.
Oh, so it's going to be a separate one
Yeah.
to the. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but yeah. This is just a little present back.
All right,
to
you can
guys.
have mine then, the one that's unused. You can have the unused one. That's
No, they
mine.
can have this one because
No,
I
look, 'cause
signed
I've got
it.
an unused one. Look, it's on the seat somewhere. Where is it? There it is. I've got that one there. That's for the competition winner for this video,
And we will get a white Sharpie and it will be signed by me and Alex. So there you go.
which will make it less valuable
Exactly, yeah. So that's what we'll do. We'll
Yeah.
sign it.
in Tipex.
So there we are, guys.
Pink glittery
A
pen.
lovely little review.
Yeah.
I believe now the FN2 people are going to go, it's not going to fit because I got my cowl in that goes across. Well, Liam has designed a little elbow
Yes.
for you guys, so that will fit. So hit Liam up at Kaizen Change for Better.
Yeah, and get one for
and
yourself.
Get one for your FN2.
Unless you win my one that's in the car.
But if you've got an FN2, yep, you can get a little elbow so it fits because
So
you have that there, don't you?
They can comment anything, and we'll just pick a winner at
yeah,
random.
just comment, I want a funnel, babe.
No, that's a horrible thing to say.
Give me your funnel.
Yeah. Oh,
Give me your funnel.
I've got a
Comment
little
below.
something for you. It's a funnel.
Give me your funnel.
Give me your funnel.
And
yeah.
comments below, and you'll get a nice Kaizen signed Salt Nation funnel.
Ooh.
There you go. You didn't expect that, sweet prince, did you?
No, I didn't expect to lose my funnel, but that's fine.
You
We
can have
because we can
mine.
share one.
You
I
can
mean,
have mine.
like I bought that that one that we put in the radiators that stops air from getting in.
Yeah.
That one.
We share
which
that.
I spent. Like you showed me one I could have spent 20 quid on it, and I bought one for 40 quid just because it seemed like it would be better. Exactly the same.
So a nice funnel come in one of your guys' ways. Get commenting.
Yeah.
I want your funnel.
Oh, you want your funnel?
I want your funnel.
I want your funnel.
No. I want your funnel. No.
I want your funnel new.
Yeah. Comment below. I want your funnel.
Janner. I mean, you know, let's look at the logo a bit more.
Oh, I found out from Matty, one of the previous owners, why it's dented.
Why?
Him and his mates at like a car show tried to lift it up. So one of his mates was literally like doing it like that and dented the wing. So I'm thinking if it was an arse dent,
that'll
it should be
pop out
easy to
easy.
pop out.
Yeah, boiled water.
Same with the back. They were like trying to lift it and stuff and showed me a video. I was like, oh no.
Can you just
Actually,
do
no.
that? Can you just do a demonstration of it again, please? Go on, Jeff Capes.
No, because I'll break it.
But yeah, the logo is looking great. It makes an all right sound, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And you haven't sold it yet?
No.
No.
It also good.
So it's a record, isn't it?
Not going anywhere. I've seen some nice rotor alloys for it.
But
We've got a
what
little-
about the S2000 bit?
I don't know yet.
I don't
At time of filming, it's still on my drive.
It is, but it's going because the S2000 community don't like it. Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this nice, quick, ridiculous video. If you have, then please subscribe. Turn on notifications. Go and find us on social media, on Twitters, on Instagrams, on Facebooks, and on TikToks. And until the next time, and we are both still wearing the same clothes as we did in another video because we filmed it at the same time. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed. And well done for that.
You could eat one of your ready meals from this.
Fuck you and the ready meal thing. I don't get it.
You could put like, get it now,
Are you
get it now.
sniffing? Is that why? Is it because you're sniffing? Because you sniff with your mouth open.
It's COVID, all right?
Bye.